Assalamu alaikum everyone. Because this is our next unit, time. In this unit, we'll study conversion of time from days to hours and hours to days, similarly from minutes to seconds and so on. In this unit, we'll also study about 12 hours and 24 hours format and then elapsed time. This is our textbook page 126 and 8 is about converting between units of time. As you can see, it is written that you have to write the equivalent number of seconds for each of these minutes. So you are given minutes and we have to find out how many seconds are in these given minutes. So first of all, write it on the top that in each minute, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So in time, 60 is considered to be a number that can convert minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes. Now just take a little review what we did in conversion of mass and length. Let's say about kilograms to grams. What we did, we were moving from big to small, so we multiply it by 1000. And when we were moving from small to big, we divide by 1000. But in case of time, instead of 1000, we use a number 60. Now, as minute is greater than second, so as we are converting minutes to second, so we will multiply by 60. All right. So first one is done for you. 4 minutes equals to 240 seconds. Why? Because we multiplied 4 with 2. Next is 1 minute. Sorry, next is 2 minutes. So you will multiply 2 with 60 and you will get 120. Similarly, when you will multiply 5 minutes with 60, you will get 300. So here are all the answers of these questions. This is the second part of your textbook page, and it is about again conversion, but this is from months to years. So please remember there are 12 months in 1 year. Now do the same technique as years are greater than months, because in 1 year there are 12 months and we are moving from greater to smaller. So we will multiply it by 12. Now why 12? Because in 1 year there are 12 months. So keep on multiplying. You will get the answer. For 2 years multiplied by 2 with 12, you will get 24. For 5, you will get 60. Similarly, you will get all these answers by multiplying the given years by 12. This is your next textbook page 126. Here again we are doing conversion, but from here you can see there are how many hours and minutes, and we are given minutes in the tables. So we are converting minutes to hours. So there 1 hour has 60 minutes. We are given minutes and we have to find hours. So we are moving from smaller unit to bigger. So that means we will divide, and divide with what? We will divide with 60. All right. So in this case, 65 divided by 60, you will get 1 hour and 5 minutes. Now, how does it come? Let's explain you how this is the way you will do it. The long division. 65 is divided by 60. So 65 will be written inside, 60 outside. 61s are 60. Subtract and you will get the answer at remainder 5. Now here the top number will be hour and remainder will be minutes. So 1 hour and 5 minutes. Now let's talk about 90. So let's do it again with the same procedure. 90 inside, 60 outside. 61s are 60. Subtract and you will get 0 will become as it is. 9 minus 6 makes 30. So it is 1 hour. The top number will be 1 hour and the remainder will be minutes. So it is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Alright. Similarly, with 80 divided by 60, you will get 1 hour and 20 minutes. With 100, 40 will be remaining, and 5. Now 125. Now you can see it has become turned 2 hours. Now how? Let me explain it. 125 divided by 60. Now it's if you find difficult to read the table of 60, read the table of 6. 6 is easier, and add a 0 with the answer. Like 6 ones are 6. No, it is not going with it. 6 twos are 12. Oh yes, you can find 12 here. So when you make it put a 0 with it, it will become 120. So 60 twos are 120. Now subtract them out, you will get 5. So here 2 hours and 5 minutes, like this. Okay. Now in 185 again, let's read the table of 6. 6 is easier instead of 60. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Oh yes, we are getting close to it. So we can write 63s are 180. I'm adding a 0 in the end, right? Now I'll get 5 as a remainder. So it would be 3 hours and 5 minutes, like this. So you are going to find out the same with, now here into 240, 64s are 240, so no remainder. So you will write 0 minutes here. Because there are no remainder, so they will come as 0 minutes. This is second part of 125. This in just an additional step is that in the first column you are given 2 minutes, 50 and 25. Add them together first and then do the same procedure of division. Like 45 plus 40, you will get 85 divided by 60. Do the long division and you will get the answer 1 hour and 25 minutes. Similarly, in the next, it is 130 minutes. Divide and you will get the answers all like this. Hopefully it is understood. So if you are it's difficult to do division mentally, so you can do the rough work and do the long division, and just keep in mind top will be hour and the remainder will be minutes, and we are not going to solve it further. We will leave remainder as it is because they are going to be the minutes. Understood hopefully everyone.